So here's Monty in his room. Take a tour of the room. It's a big room. And here's Cricket sleeping in the top here. Hi, Cricket. Say hi. Oh, big stretch. And then it's a big room. Big, big, big room. And here's little May. And there's Puff Daddy napping. And there's the front door. Oh my. And there's Garth. And there's Trisha. And there's Lucy. And back to Monty. And as he can look out these windows here, there's all sorts of windows to look out. Okay. You still napping here, Cricket? Cricket. Hey, Cricket. You're a good boy, huh? You're a good boy. Oh, you turning upside down?